We'll be opening gifts later. But before that, my sister is here in the garage. We're making a lechon. It's a pig pork.
Pig pa lang.
Oh, pig pala.
Ano yung gipaliguan? Remember, she was the one who was trained in LA and now she's not responsible for making the lechon. And we have to take a bath first. Nag-shower mo na siya muna, ate.
So that it will be clean.
Ano sabi mo si Tart? Hindi siya pleasant?
Hindi, pag binidyo mo.
Bakit? Look at the eyes! Oh my gosh, it's blue eyes. Bakit blue eyes, ate? Frozen paghihapon siya.
It's American.
Ay, you know where those ones. Nasaan yung video ko? Uncle Jerome. I have a gift here.
A what?
Box cutter. I have a gift here, and to make it different, this gift is for everyone. Yay! We don't live together. And I have this. You'll see once it's open. I have this box delivered here special, and I have not opened it, so I don't know what's inside. Is it a baby?
You don't know what's inside.
And to make it different, I'll be the one to open.
She's opening the present.
Oh my God! But ako honest.
White elephant?
Wait, did you want to write open it now? Oh my God! Quiet! To make it different, I'll be the one to open it. Yay! I got my first present! Oh my God! Yeah, it's for us, it's for everybody.
You wrapped it and you're opening it?
Yes.
That's my mom for you. That's what
Luke's
you want
trap
her to
watch.
do.
It's Luke's travel merch. Mine is Luke's travel merch. Yeah!
Wait, really?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I know. Okay, so quiet. This is for everybody. Sorry, Alex.
Not for me.
Maybe next year.
Next year.
Oh my God.
We'll share.
It's definitely Victoria Cross.
What is that?
What is that? See, I don't know what's inside, so it would be a surprise.
Oh, she don't find it too.
Why are you opening our gift?
Because I don't know what's inside. Okay, so this first gift is for...
Oh my God!
So rich.
We're having family.
More come.
Hey, it's customized.
Can we just distribute it? Everyone open it.
Yeah.
If it's not your name, you
No,
get
why
it.
elephant ground?
Yeah, let them grab it and just...
This is for...
Oh, there's straws.
Okay, you open.
open and give it to someone.
Open.
Open.
Oh, it's customized.
That's cute.
It's your birth month. Oh, that's
And it's your birth month.
Wait, is this an actual Stanley or is it a Duke? Jerry!
Let's do supple.
It has a straw.
Just keep handing them out.
What's this?
That was open already. That came with that one. Running out of time.
I have a best water bottle now. Jerome! Colby! Oh, Nikki!
Yeah, okay mo dyan. Kasama sa video dyan. Ito yung AIDS.
Personalized.
And if I didn't want straw in that box you were carrying. That's straw! Mine is so cute! Oh, yes! Darlona flower.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official trash can. Can I have a straw? Can I have a straw? Where's the straw?
Say your name.
Oh, no, you're showing it.
Good struggle. How about you, Paolo?
Oh, I didn't take it off. I just put it down. No, I did not.
You get one?
This is so clinical. No, here's the box.
Tingnan na.
I'm learning her. Why do you have a second? It's not mental anymore.
I had an extra one. I was
I love this.
I like mine.
Do like this guy.
What do you have?
Okay. So I have one last gift.
Is it for you?
For my sweetheart. Of course, for my sweetheart.
Oh, you're opening it now? Wait.
I'm not wrapping mine. I'm wrapping it.
Cheers to naman, cheers! Everybody cheers with their gift from Lutz Trump.
Okay, you know your
Cheers!
You should have put courtesy of Luke's travel at the bottom.
Yay!
With love, Brian and Nancy from Daddy and Mama.
Yay, longganisa!
Yay! In the freezer. Mama Wana. Mama Dot. Mama Wana. That's for Lola, Ben.
Lola.
Chair.
Where's she? Right here?
Jerome and A. Chris and Nika.
Yay! Iba ko pala yung longganisa.
Can we open it?
Yeah. Lucia and Edwin surprise.
Box set!
No, this one.
Oh, again, Nikki.
So when the
Is this courtesy of Bayani Pay?
No, this is from the school beside Nanay's house. From the nice house, Beam and Jerry. This one is for a good cause. Paula.
Because you already have one.
Ready?
Cute. Oh, wait, I thought we were opening.
Trash here, trash. Oh, nice. That's for a good cause. And this is
I didn't know what. God. Now we have a hit for the deck. So boys, we need to finish it right. Oh my God.
We're gonna try to shove him out of bed.
He's still alive though, so it's okay.
He's alive.
Really? Another cup. Open it so we can see.
Just show everyone.
Really?
What is that?
Oh my gosh!
Okay, so there's one for Diane.
Thank you.
There's one for Paula.
Oh, thank you, Nix.
There. And Uni. Ate.
Okay, everybody open!
But you can enter. You'll see. And then you can kind of trade if you want to.
Pokemon card?
I know. Oh my gosh. Monopoly stickers.
Where's the trash can? Puno na. Ablihin yung usan mo.
Wow.
Ablihin ang usan kay gamo itong trash.
You can trade if you want.
Oh,
Hey, the logo.
Oh wow.
if you don't like the smell, you can buy it.
I'm not very
Okay, what is that? Okay.
Very safe.
Next! Remember I told you and Eli were gonna wear it?
Sige.
Not for me. Me. You wanna pick one for you?
Masunto ah.
Why is that?
Oh yeah, he's gone.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
At the back.
There's a surprise at the back.
No, don't you open the 7.
Open this.
Si mama tinano mo?
The last one.
You open it like there's
I want my own number.
I know.
there's another one.
That was
Don't open it that way.
Who's one? Oh wait, let Papa open it.
Nakakaba.
I know you're gonna. Wow.
Oh wait,
It's really
turns
on.
on?
Read the back.
the back, the back.
Back.
Back of the iPad.
Oh.
The back of the iPad.
Ito. Commander Jimenez.
Wow.
Hello?
Here at 8.
Did you not get it from your mom? She told me that mine was coming.
Wow.
The Doorknob Queen!
Yeah.
Thank you, Ed. I forgot. This is for ate. Oh, this is for ate. Oh. Ate Sana. Ba't yun ka magbawa? Kaya kay kabakak na naman. Nagkano ba na? Sana. Is this for us?
Mommy, look how nice
Hindi na magbawa. Well, guys. Ang tagay ni Spies. Pala.
Wait, roll the ball.
I don't think I got it yet. Wait, you
Where's that? Eli's
How about this one?
Ano mo na? These are my gifts! Ano mo na?
Open mo kahit na ano siguro.
Projector, that's so cool.
Ikaw talaga nagbalot dito. May project starter. Oh, that's a microphone? Mama-microphone ako? Oh my God, I got another blanket. What is it?
I got a new suitcase. Nice. Oh, baby, we'll be matching, buddy.
Oh, you know what that means, babe? Okay. No,
Wait, baby.
like,
Okay,
old
kicks out.
commentary from the GoPro.
Where do we go now?
And then he gives you text from the Bible. And then
I got so many hoodies.
So then you're like reading the
Where do you
Bible.
wanna put it back in the
Mga strap dito.
That's really just for Papa because he's the one filming.
Ito naman yung
Mga strap.
I keep, and it just looks nice. I got it.
Very nice.
Oh.
Mag-picture na ta!
Kaya pala yung ano.
You really wanna open it.
It's a very
You have a new cuddle buddy. Saan naman ito ilagay?
Kaya hindi ito yan. Ito sana.
What is that?
Yung ano,
Shape.
magnet.
It's like a stethoscope.
I guess like a tennis ball. It was
It's magnetic. GoPro. Okay, open the special one.
This is the GoPro.
No.
Hold on a second. Heavy. Yeah, GoPro.
You can throw in my other one.
What's that? What is this, guitar? Ibig sabihin papalitan ko na yung GoPro ko? Oh my gosh. What is it?
What is this? Not what I asked for. It's like a stethoscope. What is it?
No evidence
You want my
whatsoever.
GoPro?
Zero evidence.
You got your remote.
So I'm like being destiny. What is
No
that?
evidence whatsoever.
Thank you, Sitar.
Kobe and I are gonna start
It's only
vlogging.
anecdotal evidence.
That's for Kobe's streaming.
Remember you said you wanted to get a GoPro?
Yeah.
I know, but that one was cool. So you put that on?
Oh, you like hang it around your...
Alright.
Mama! You have to take them out.
Oh, I take it off.
Nasaan yung isang ano mo? Yung sinifigure out mo na ano?
Na ano?
Ito yata yun. Nahulog na.
Hindi, may lagyanan siya eh.
Let me see your new GoPro. Yeah, open your GoPro, ma.
Papa said it's complete.
And then Papa's new iPad will be good for editing.
Pang work daw ang
Ready?
Take a picture. Chris, let's take a picture of this.
Take the picture.
We're gonna leave the old one here. Yes.
You have to get a picture with everyone. Get your selfie stick out.
Asan yung selfie stick mo si Carl?
We have one. It's called Bim.
ano, ano,
No, yeah, that's true.
yung gift card ko na.
Or just hold me out, right?
Gift card mo.
Hold you out.
Dati yung 150.
I am Brad.
Does yours have this?
Akala ko yung sapatos.
Yung 150 daw. All of you guys will get.
Iba na, GoPro.
Pasabihin sa siya.
The bread milk. You and Ante can have your own mic.
Luke's travel has now evolved.
The loose travel needs to have commentary now. You can't do like you can't have a.
Ate, sakay na ako camera. What?
We're going to ride a camel next month. I mean, yeah, that's my daughter. With your microphone. What can you say? This is so bumpy. This is a camel hump.
Picture na! Picture na! Picture! There's a lighting.
That is
Yeah.
Is that
Bigyan